right, we are starting. Here we go. We are now doing a back row POV of Storm Chaser. Ray and John, Top Thrill Brothers. Here we go. All right, here's James, our marketing director. Anyways, yeah.
Okay, so the front row of this thing threw us around every which direction. So now we're going to do the back row. And I got a feeling this is going to be like really, really, really good. So,
yeah, I have a feeling about something.
he's going to break up femur.
A little bit of femur crunching at the end. This is great right here. Here we go. Look at this. Look at this. I gotta say, that was a little better. That was a little better. That was pretty good. That was good. That was nice.
That was good. Wow. Wow.
I gotta say, yeah, I don't know, man. I think I prefer the back for sure.
Some people say that these are the best rows, without a doubt.
Many arms, yeah, I always prefer the back, but they're also usually the most rough. I didn't really feel that extra roughness on this, but it was exciting.
This feels like it just packs a punch all the way through.
It
bam,
really
bam,
does.
bam, bam, bam. There's no break. There's absolutely no break to this coaster. You just take it and take it all the way through until the end. And right at the end, it just throws you to the right side.
And you know what I felt? I felt the first half of this felt like Iron Glassy. The second half felt like Twisted Timbers.
Yeah, or steel, or even steel.
Or a little bit of steel engines
This
too.
has got a little bit of everything. There's so many freaking elements to it.
And I gotta say, there's nothing like the first half Iron Glassy. This is just a little bit lower. It's not as high and it's not quite as fast, but you still get that same feel. You got that little death roll going down, that little overbanked curve coming around. Feels a lot like Glassy, man. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
But great ride.
Yeah, guys, get here. Definitely Kentucky Kingdom. Storm Chaser.
All right.